Okay, it's weird being a Maharashtrian guy, Marathi speaking guy. I actually never did a Marathi film review. I guess I had already seen many, so I never got to see any new one. But this was left, and it was there in my list for quite a long time now. So here it is. So if you are new to my channel, I keep making videos on different language movies. I make film reviews on movies from different regions, and I tell people to watch these movies and explore other cultures also. Killa means fort. So Killa is a 2014 Marathi language film directed by Avinash Arun. The film received a national award for best feature film in Marathi language in 2014. It's a coming of age story. As far as I remember, it was quite a game changer back then. Those were the time when Marathi films actually started getting some recognition. The story revolves around an 11-year-old boy named Chinmay who is struggling to cope with the death of his father, and in the same time his mother gets a job transfer in a village, and these guys are from city. They are from Pune, and this kid now has to be in an unfamiliar place and again make some new friends. So basically it's kind of a Swadesh story of a kid. No. Director Avinash Arun has captured the film in a beautiful setting of Konkan, which is the coastal region of Maharashtra. The cinematography of the film, which is also directed by the director himself. The man knows his job perfect. This man has also worked in films like Masan, Drishyam, Madari, Hichki as a cinematographer, and he is a pure talent. Each and every frame in this film is picture perfect. The beaches, the lighthouse, the ocean, the rain, everything in this film is shot beautifully. And the sound design and the background score, without any songs to it, makes the film of an international quality film standard. Talking about the acting and the performances, Amruta Subhash playing the mother of the kid is just amazing to watch. You have seen her in Sacred Games, Raman Raghav 2.0. She is just a natural and an effortless actor. She is portraying a role of a mother who is a government official and a widow. She is having so much struggle in her life now, with her kid being at the young age, with her office, with people pressurizing her to take wrong decisions, new place, new people. She is a strong woman dealing with this situation. All the emotions of that characters are beautiful, and she has easily acted to that. Her kid Chinmay is not used to this environment. He comes from city and he is a city dude. Now to cope with this new environment, new people, new place, kind of a new culture to him, and know that it's all very tough for this kid to cope with. He's very natural throughout this film, and his chemistry with his mother is just pure. Also, I really liked his new friend from the village called Bandya, played by Parth Bhalerao. I've seen this kid in Bhootnath Returns, and he was with Amitabh Bachchan. And when you get a chance to work with Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, you are already a star. That means you have a pure talent inside you. He was quite young in this film, and he's just fun to watch. He's flawless, he's natural, very good actor.
Sir, pen घेतो. Pen देखो.
All the other cast in the film has also done a super job. No bullshit overacting, over drama, melodrama, over dramatic situation, anything like that. Just reality. It's just real life, the way people just live. It's that. The writer did an awesome job with the story, handling this delicate issue very beautifully. The story is heart-touching, it's emotional, it's warm. Also, it has some amazing locations. The way the school was shown, it's lovely. Like, you start remembering all your school days. Now I want to talk about the scenes in the film, but as that would be a spoiler territory, I want you guys to see the movie first if you have not already. It's there on Netflix. It's an amazing movie. Don't think about the language. The subtitles are good enough to understand you the movie. This type of movie doesn't need any language. It can just convey their story with the visual medium itself. That's how good the filmmaking is. So just cross that language barrier and watch this film on Netflix. There on Netflix. You check the film, and if you like it, then watch my rest of my review. There were many good scenes in the film, but some of my favorite scenes were with the kids together. The cycle race towards the Killa, the fort. I started remembering all my school days, the cycling days when we just used to wander here and there with friends. And just without any tension, we would just roam here and there and enjoy the nature, just having fun with it. It's just amazing to watch. Also, the scene in which Chinmay starts realizing his mistake on that boat with the fisherman. He has that ZNMD Hrithik Roshan moment. His thought becomes clear and the kid becomes mature. That ride on the boat just changes his life. All his scenes with his mother, with his friends, with Bandya, they were all good. Also how the kids were exploring galis. They were just trying to find out some different galis. Those scenes were fun to watch. Finally, towards the end, as Chinmay realizes that his happiness is not just things and places. It is actually his mother, his friends, his people around him. His mother's transfer happens again, but this time he doesn't complain. He again would be leaving his new friends. He again would be leaving for a new place. But he understands that that's life and you have to just keep moving on and be happy with it. It's a sad, beautiful, yet sweet and happy film. I know most of you guys would relate to the characters in the film. The character of Chinmay, the character of his mother, the character of Bandya, his friends. You can relate to all of them. I really liked when Bandya talks about his parents getting killed in an accident. And he just says that casually, and Chinmay is wondering about that. There are so many scenes in the movie that you can just keep talking about. For this video, I think this is enough. So if you have made it till here, I just want to tell you guys that please explore different language films. Please explore movies from different regions. Don't just keep watching Bollywood and Hollywood movies in which most of the 90% of the movie is just garbage and they just keep throwing it at you in dozens. Instead, you can watch these type of quality films and that will have a good impact on your life. So if you have liked this review, press the like button to check out some awesome film reviews. Subscribe to the channel. Till then, all you guys, stay cool, stay awesome. Bye.